What's the meaning of Bessie Smith? Bessie Smith. Bessie Smith.
Bessie Smith. Bessie Smith. Bessie Smith was an American blues singer who rose to popularity in the 1920s and 1930s. She is often referred to as the Empress of the Blues and is considered one of the most important and influential blues singers of all time. Born in Chattanooga, Tennessee in 1894, Smith's powerful voice and emotive performances captivated audiences across the country. She recorded extensively throughout her career, and many of her songs explored themes of love, loss, and the struggles of African Americans during a time of intense racial discrimination. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, Bessie Smith remains an icon of American music, and her legacy continues to inspire generations of musicians and fans alike.